Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to Chapter 5 Vectors. In this video, we will proceed with 5.1 Part B, finding the magnitude of a vector and unit vector. Magnitude of a vector. Given two vectors, OP and OS, both vectors have three components, x1, y1, z1 for vector OP, x2, y2, z2 for vector OS. To find magnitude for each vector, we will use the formula of square root, first component square plus second component square plus third component square. So in order to find the magnitude of OP, we will denote as a modulus of OP equal with square root x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. Whereas modulus of OS represent the magnitude of OS equal with square root x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square. The important things you need to remember about magnitude is always positive. So now, let's apply what we have learned in previous slide by solving this example. Example 1. Find magnitude of the following vectors. Part A, vector V equal to 8i minus 3j plus 6k. So in order to find the magnitude of V, it will be modulus of V equal with square root of 8 square plus negative 3 square plus 6 square. So simplify inside the square root, we're going to have 64 plus 9 plus 36. So total up those value, we're going to have square root of 109. Okay, so part B, to find the magnitude of OB, we have it modulus of OB equal with square root of negative 4 square plus 2 square plus negative half square. So simplify inside the square root, we're going to have 16 plus 4 plus 1 over 4. So total up those value, we're going to have square root of 81 over 4. So square root of 81 over 4, we will get 9 over 2. So we can move to the next part, which is unit vector. Unit vector of a vector. In general, unit vector is a vector which has a length of 1 unit. By basic definition, the unit vector of a vector A is a vector whose magnitude is 1 unit in the direction of A. As you can see, inside the purple box, a unit vector of a vector A is denoted by lowercase letter of A with hat. The formula of unit vector of a vector A is A hat equal to vector A is divided by its magnitude. By using the formula of unit vector, for any vectors OP and OS, the unit vector of OP and OS are like the following. So now, let's apply what we have learned in previous slide by solving this example. Example 2. Find unit vector of vector U equal to negative 2i plus 4j plus 2k. Hence, find vectors such as W equal to 3u hat. So, the first thing you need to do is to find the unit vector of U. So, in order to find the unit vector, you need a magnitude of U. So, magnitude of U, which is denoted by modulus of U, equal with square root of negative 2 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. So we're going to have square root of 4 plus 16 plus 4. And then we total up inside the square root. We're going to have square root of 24, which is can be simplified into the simplest form, which is 2 square root of 6. Next, in order to find unit vector, we have the formula which is vector U divided by its magnitude. So substitute your vector of U and magnitude of U. We're going to have negative 2i plus 4j plus 2k over 2 square root of 6. And we can simplify it to be the negative I plus 2j plus k over square root of 6. Hence, find vector w equal to 3u hat. We're going to have to substitute your u hat into the equation. So we are going to have it 3 times negative I plus 2j plus k divided by square root of 6. We can bring in the 3 into the bracket. We're going to have negative 3i plus 6j plus 3k over square root of 6. So that's it for now. I will see you again in the next video. Take care and bye bye.